Right, so this is the elevator to the inbound regional rail trains on the Broad Street line at Fern Rock Transportation Center in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. Basic transit system elevator. There's a camera in here, so hopefully I won't get caught. I don't think they'll really care. Innovation NEMA 4 series buttons. I don't know who installed this, nor do I know who modernized this. This was installed in 1992 when the regional rail station opened, and it was modernized sometime in the 2020s. You know what, let's get the machine room.